Shark family! Hello, my little artists! How are you? Today we're going to color the shark family. Let's start with the baby shark. What color is the baby shark? That's right! Yellow! Look at that little star. It's black. And inside of his mouth is red. That's right, red. Great job. Our baby shark is yellow and done. Now, it's Daddy Shark's turn. What color is Daddy Shark, kids? Blue? That's amazing! Yes, it's blue, just like the color of the sky and the sea. Our Daddy Shark looks so happy, just like our baby shark. Now, let's color Daddy Shark's mouth red. That's right, red. Our baby shark is yellow and our Daddy Shark is blue. Say hello to Mommy Shark. It's time for our beautiful pink Mommy Shark. That's right, pink. She is pink. Let's color Mommy Shark pink and her mouth red. Great job! Her mouth is red, don't forget that. Kids, I have a great idea. Let's draw some beautiful eyelashes for Mommy Shark. They are so happy. I think they are dancing. Now, let's color the water bubbles and music notes. The bubbles are blue. And those little notes are red. Or even blue. Some of them are gray. That's amazing! We did it! If you love to paint and color more, be sure to subscribe to our channel.